Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a frame shadow in Photoshop. First, open your image and confirm your frame is on its own layer. This separation is crucial for precise shadow control. Next, duplicate your frame layer. This new layer will become our shadow. Rename it Shadow right away to keep your workspace tidy. This initial setup takes only a few moments but lays a strong foundation for a realistic shadow effect. Now let's give our shadow some form. Select your shadow layer and fill it completely with black. This provides the dark base for our effect. Then, gently nudge this layer a few pixels down and to one side, simulating a light source. Next, activate the Free Transform tool by pressing Ctrl or Command-T. You can then drag the corners to subtly adjust its size and perspective, making it appear more natural. To make our shadow look truly realistic, we need to soften its edges. Go to Filter, then Blur, and select Gaussian Blur. A radius of 5 to 15 pixels often works well, but experiment to find what suits your image best. This softens the harsh black into a more natural shade. Finally, reduce the shadow layer's opacity to somewhere between 30 and 60%. This makes the shadow subtle, not overpowering, blending it seamlessly. For an even more polished shadow, try some advanced techniques. Change the shadow layer's blending mode to multiply. This often creates a richer, more integrated shadow effect. You can also add a subtle noise filter to the shadow layer, perhaps 1 or 2%, to give it a more organic, less digital appearance. Lastly, consider adding a layer mask to your shadow. This allows you to selectively hide parts, making the shadow interact more realistically with its surroundings.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.